Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. I am here as a part of my hackathon where I need to create a web application according to the given problem statement. So this is my first hackathon. The challenge was, the given problem statement was, as we all know that in this pandemic situation there are many people who got stuck in different locations. So there are some difficult challenges they are facing now. They are in need of many basic requirements like blankets, etc. So in these web applications, so let me explain with an example. So using these websites, any person who wants to post their requirements can post their requirements to this website, and any person throughout different locations can be able to know that this person is in need of something, so he can able to help that person as well. So in this website, let us suppose if there is a person A is in need of 100 blankets, there is a person B who can help person A with 20 blankets. Then this website should display that this person A is in need of only 80 blankets now. So that is a task given to me. So I am doing this with the help of Django Python web application framework. Let us have a look on the code now. So this is my project, this is my application now, and these are all the HTML files. So let me go to the home page now. So this is our web application home page. Here we can observe registration, user login and admin login buttons. So here user entered data will be only accessed by the admin here. Only admin can be able to see the user registered data. So let me give one user data. So click on this registration button here. It will take us to this page. So use something, let us suppose ABC name, email ID abc@gmail.com, password, address Hyderabad, give date of birth, give gender as well. Click on register button. You can observe a message saying that your registration was successful. So go to the home page now. So we entered a user data. So let me check it was present in the database or not. As we already know that only admin can be able to check the user data. So click on admin login page here. Your admin details. Click on login button. So it is showing the data that we entered using registration. So click on home page now. Now go to the user login button. Enter the email ID that we registered. Password. Click on login button here. It will take us to this page saying that we can check out details here using check details button here. Click on this button. It will take us to this page saying that we can observe our details displaying like this. So we want to update our details, click on this update button. If you want to change name like XYZ, now click on update button. We can observe that. So let me check details now. So we can observe that the name is changed here. Go back now. If any person wants to post their requirements through this website, can click this button here. He can give his phone number, choose file, blankets quantity, let me give 300 blankets. Click on submit button here. You can observe a message saying that your requirements are recorded successfully. then go back here. So any person who wants to post their requirements can post through this link in this website. So if there is a person who wants to help others, can go on with this link here. Click on this link. You can observe that the data who are in need. Here this person is in need of 100 books here. So if a person wants to help, can go on with this link here. Help. So this person is in need of 100 books now. So click on help here. So let me give the value more than 100. That means the person is in need of only 100 books. Let me give the value above 100 here. 200. Click on submit. So it is saying that the value must be less than or equal to 100. Because the person is in need of only 100 blankets. So let me give the value below 100 here. Let me give 30. Click on submit button. Now we can observe that this particular person is in need of only 70 books now. So go on with this here. If he wants to help this person, he is in need of 100 blankets here. Click on this help button here. So give quantity. Let me give here 200. Click on submit. It is saying that it must be equal, less than or equal to 100. So give 50 here. Click on submit button. Now we can observe that he is in need of only 50 blankets here. So this is the task that given to me. We can also observe here home and logout buttons. Once we click on logout button, it will take us to the login page. There we need to log in again. Observe here. I am going to click logout. It will take us to this page saying that user has to log in again. Thank you everyone.